Hello everyone, this is Julian from Can of Coffee, and today we have a Rancilio Silvia M model with us in the shop, and it had came in because the steam wand was leaking no matter if you're just on warm up or if you were steaming, indicated with the steam button here, and yeah, no matter where you're at, it would leak a little bit of water out. There it goes, kind of like that, but I just left the valve open, and so what we did is we replaced the entirety of the old assembly. And so there's a few gaskets in here that if you were servicing it normally, you would just go in there and replace all the gaskets. But since you already have to remove the entire thing, it is just easier to replace the entire thing since it's all pre-built. So we got a brand new steam one on here. Brand new, of course, steam one, steam tip, gasket, all of this whole stuff is new in there. And yeah, after that it stopped leaking. As you can see, we're on warm up. Nothing's really happening unless I opened it, then stuff will come out. But besides that, nothing's coming out right now, and we're all fully warmed up. And now we're going to go into steaming. Steaming takes a minute or two, but when you when you were on steamer with the old steam on, it was just a little like just constant steam coming out, and you kind of see it. And we will continue this video when the machine's hot. Now that we are fully hot, indicated by the steam light or steam switch being on, with the light being on, and the heating element light being off, which means we are up to temp and it's stopped the heating element. As you can see, nothing's coming out of the steam wand at all, and fully closed. But once we start to open it, you see there's a lot of pressure behind there. And so if that pressure isn't getting through the steam wand, that means we are looking good for any leaks on the steam wand. And yeah. Now that we turn it off, look for any steam follow. Yeah, and that's about it. No steam coming out at all again. That's about it for this video. If you like this repair or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.